You opened a new chat this morning, asked the AI to pick up where you left off, and it had no idea what you were talking about. The decision you made yesterday? Gone. The reason that file exists? Gone. The thing you spent an hour getting right on Monday? It has never heard of it. So you explained it all over again, and tomorrow you'll explain it again. That's not the AI being lazy, and it's not you forgetting to do something. It's the missing piece underneath almost every failure you've seen so far. By default, your AI has no memory of your project. Every session it walks in brand new, and a project that starts from zero every single day will sooner or later start contradicting itself. So here's what I want you to walk away seeing. Not just that the AI forgets, but exactly how that one gap turns a build that felt solid into a project that argues with itself. Once you can see the missing memory, you can see why 3 weeks in, nothing lines up. And you'll know the name of the thing that fixes it. Let me show you what no memory actually means, because it's more literal than people think. Open a fresh chat. The AI knows nothing about what you decided yesterday, nothing about what you built last week, nothing about why this function exists or what that file is even for. It's not pretending. It genuinely cannot see any of it. Every conversation is a clean slate. So when you ask it to make a call today, it makes that call based on what's in front of it right now. No memory of the constraint you set on Monday. No memory of the architecture you committed to on Wednesday. Just a fresh take every single time. And that's where the failures you already recognize actually come from. Watch how it plays out across one ordinary week. Monday, you ask the AI to set up sign-in. It picks a way to do it. You approve it, you move on. Wednesday, different feature, brand new chat. Sign-in comes up again in passing. The AI, with no memory of Monday, reaches for a completely different way to do the same job. It's not wrong from where it's standing. It just can't see Monday. And now, you've got two ways of doing one thing, fighting each other inside the same project. Friday, you hit a bug, new chat. You paste the error in. The AI looks at the code, sees the two approaches tangled together, and helpfully suggests ripping one out, with no idea that the one it wants to remove is load-bearing, or that you were already halfway through fixing it on Wednesday. Round and round. And here's the part that quietly kills the build. Every fix from every session is a fresh fix. Nothing carries forward, nothing accumulates. The project doesn't get smarter as you go. It just gets longer and more tangled and harder to reason about. That is the week 3 collapse you've already felt, named at its root. No memory means no architecture. And no architecture means nothing holds. Now hear the part underneath this, because it matters. None of that was a mistake you made. You didn't forget a step, and the AI didn't fail you either. It was never built to remember your project on its own. It's not you, and it's not the AI. It's that the memory was never there to begin with. There's no file holding what you decided and why. So every session, the AI has nothing to read. And it does the only thing it can. It guesses fresh, which tells you exactly what the fix is. The projects that hold together don't ask the AI to remember anything. They write it down. The decisions get recorded, what you chose and why, frozen, so they can't quietly drift. The shape of the project lives in files the AI reads at the start of every session. And what you're building right now is written down too. When that memory exists, the AI walks into Monday, Wednesday, Friday, any day, already knowing what was decided, why, and what's still in flight. You're not the project's memory anymore. The project remembers. The AI just reads. That's the whole shift. And it has a name. It's the documentation layer of the method. The project's memory, written down once and kept current, so the AI stops starting from zero. We don't build it here. This course is the diagnosis. The full build is waiting for you in Foundations, where it gets put together piece by piece. So that's the first missing piece. Not a quirk, not your fault. A hole where the project's memory should be, and everything downstream falls into it. Next, We name the second one. What happens when there are no rules? When every decision gets renegotiated from scratch, and the AI guesses a little differently every time. That's the structural cause of the whack-a-mole you got stuck in. I'll meet you there.